Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, roof rails. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.